Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to our new math lesson, which we will have a new topic to discuss about. Any guess? Student 1, I guess we are going to take a derivative rule because last week she mentioned something like that. Student 2, oh, okay. Teacher, yes, you're totally right. We are going to take the derivative rule. Then any guess what could the derivative rule be? Student 1, not at all, teacher. Student 2, not real, teacher. Could you please explain it? I think I'm going to struggle with it. Teacher, no worries at all. I'll share up with you all the several rules that will definitely impact you all. So let's get started with a warm-up question. When we take the derivative of a function, what are we finding? Student 1, I think it's the slope of the secant line. Student 2, I'm sure it's the slope of the tangent line. Teacher, totally right. When we take the derivative of a function, we are finding the slope of the tangent line. Thank you, students, and let's get to the next question. Student 1. Oh, that will definitely help us. Thank you, teacher. Student 2, thank you. So, when you're taking the derivative of constant, it will always equal to 0. See, I told you that constant rule is easy. Teacher, in terms of the constant multiple rule, all you have to do to get the derivative of a function with a constant is bring the constant forward and multiply it by the function's derivative. Student 3, can you give us examples, teacher, please? Teacher, example number 1. The slope of a constant value, like for instance number 3, will always equal to 0. Example 2, the slope of a line, like for instance 2x, is always 2. Or for instance 3x, it will always equal to 3, and etc. The derivative is also known as d over dx. So d over dx is known as a derivative. Student 1, thank you, miss, you really made it easier. Student 2, thank you. Teacher, what is the derivative of 1 over x? 1 over x is also known as x to the power of negative 1. Step number 1. The derivative of x power n is equal to nx to the power of n negative 1. Step 2. The derivative of x power negative 1 is equal to negative 1x to the power of negative 1, negative 1. Step number 3. Negative x to the power of negative 2, which is equal to negative 1 over x to the power of 2. Thank you, teacher, and have a nice day. Thank you, and stay safe.